Hello everyone, welcome to Gurudev Academy, Dharwad. So let's begin some of the multiple choice questions on the topic applications of derivatives for the upcoming annual examination of class 12th. I hope you are preparing your examination very well. The problems related to applications of derivatives, especially when it comes to MCQ, they need lots of conceptual knowledge to solve it in a stipulated time. So let's begin the discussion. The first question is, I have taken questions from the question bank itself, which is provided by the PU board. Okay. So the first question what we have is, the rate of change of area of the circle per second with respect to its radius r when r is equal to 5 centimeter is, right. So please observe what is the question we have. The rate of change of the area of a circle per second with respect to its radius r when r is equal to 5 centimeter is the question. Okay. To solve this, I am taking, first let us understand the geometrical figure given here is, for question number 1, the geometrical figure given is circle, done, and the rate of change of area. So I have to understand variables. What is r in this case? Radius. What is a in the case? Area. Right? What he has given? The rate of change of area of the circle per second. Right? It means what he has given is dA by dt is given. Rate of change of area with respect to time is given. How much he has given? With respect to r when r is, this is the question, sorry, this is the question. Find the rate of change of area with respect to time if r is equal to 5 centimeter. Done. To we know that what is the formula for area of the circle? A is equal to pi r square on differentiating with respect to time t is equal to pi as it is. What is r square differentiation? 2r into dr by dt is equal to 2 pi r per second with respect to its radius r. So with respect to r, he has asked the question. With respect to r, the rate of change of area of a circle per second with respect to its radius. So instead of dA by dt, I would have taken dA by dr. This is also possible. You can easily understand. dt we can cancel. What is left? dA by dr left. What is the solution here? 2 into pi into, what is the value of r? R is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. Therefore, what should be your final answer? 10 pi centimeter square per second. Right? So what should be my answer in this case? The answer in this case is 10 pi centimeter square per second. Of course, you can take directly dA by dr also. The rate of change of area of a circle per second with respect to its radius he has given means, of course, you can choose directly dA by dr also. Directly dA by dr means you will get the answer directly 10 pi centimeter square per second. Done. So I think the second one is a similar question. What we have in the similar question? Observe. The rate of change of the area of the circle per second with respect to its radius when r is equal to 4 centimeter is dash pi centimeter square, means you have to find the only real number. Okay. So I think it will be easy to understand. So in place of 5 I am writing 4, 4 2 is 8. So it will be equal to how much? 8 pi centimeter square per second, isn't it? 8 pi centimeter square per second. Done. The next third one, question number 3. Question number 3. What is question number 3? Please try to understand. The total revenue rupees received from the sale of x units of a product is given by r of x is equal to 13x square plus 26x minus 15. Then the marginal revenue when x is equal to 1 is. Done. This is the question. Okay. So let me consider question number 3. The function is defined as r of x is equal to 13x square plus 26x minus 15. Done. So Okay, so I have to find the marginal revenue. So what is marginal revenue? The marginal revenue is nothing but the rate of the rate of change of this function. This is marginal revenue. So what will be the differentiation? 26x plus 26, right? Right? So the question is at x is equal to 1. Please observe what he has asked is at x is equal to 1. Therefore, at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 1, this marginal cost revenue will be defined as, right, 26 plus 26 must be equal to 52, right? Right? So let's see the options. Yes. So options are given as, please look at the options. Options are given as see the options 26, 13, 52 and 104. What should be my answer? My answer is 52, isn't it? 52, right? So fourth one is a similar question. Now what is the marginal cost function in this case? Revenue function ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So what we have is the total revenue in the rupees received from the sale of x units of a product is r of x is equal to 3x square plus 36x plus 5. Then marginal revenue when x is equal to 15 is, I hope you can solve that question, which is similar one. Options given as 116, 96, 90 and 126. 126. Done. I hope you can solve that question, right? So let's go for the next fifth question. What is fifth question? The radius of circle, the radius of the circle the radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second, then the rate of increases of its circumference is dash pi centimeter per second. Okay, so let me take little bit. Yes. Okay, so let us understand the, again for fifth question, the geometrical figure is circle. The geometrical figure is circle. So what he has given once again, r defines what? Radius. Radius. C defines what? Circumference. Circumference. Therefore C is equal to 2 pi r. Okay. And the radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of, means rate of change of radius is given, is equal to how much? 0.7 centimeter per second. Then the rate of increase of its circumference is, question is to find dc by dt. dc by dt. dc by dt. Okay, so let us understand what is the c is equal to, what is circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. Hence what is dc by dt? 2 pi. What is the value of r with respect to t? Differentiation is dr by dt. So what I will get? 2 pi into, what is dr by dt? 0.7 he has given. Therefore what should be your final answer? 1.4 pi centimeter per second. Therefore what should be the right answer in this case? 1.4 pi centimeter per second. Done. I hope you understood the first session of this applications of derivative. In the next session, I will continue with another set of 5 questions. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.